Have you ever wondered why nearly 80% of people live paycheck to paycheck? Imagine the freedom of not stressing about money every single month. Today, we're diving deep into practical, actionable steps to build financial freedom, no matter your starting point. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap toward achieving lasting financial security. Stay tuned to get started on this journey. Money stress can feel like a constant weight, clouding every decision and looming over all your plans. The truth is, so many people face this challenge, but with the right habits, you can reshape your relationship with money, freeing up mental energy to focus on things you actually enjoy and on goals that bring you joy. It's about creating freedom and confidence around money. So let's dive right into it. First, we'll talk about common financial mistakes that hold people back. Many people struggle to make meaningful progress because of things like lifestyle inflation, high interest debt, or not tracking their spending. Understanding these pitfalls is key to breaking the cycle. After that, we'll explore foundational saving strategies that anyone can implement. Saving money doesn't have to mean giving up all the things you love, but it does require mindful spending and planning. Then we'll move on to the importance of building an emergency fund. This is one of the first layers of financial security that often gets overlooked, but it's absolutely essential. We'll go over exactly how to create a fund that covers your needs without feeling overwhelming. Next, we'll cover strategies to prioritize and pay down debt effectively. Debt can feel like a huge obstacle, but with the right approach, you can create a plan to manage it without feeling like you're drowning. But we're not stopping there. To truly build wealth, you'll need to explore investing basics. We'll dive into the benefits of a diversified portfolio, even if you're just starting small. And as we go along, I'll share some insights from my digital product marketing tutorial ebook to help you consider how to add a new revenue stream through digital products, which can help accelerate your journey toward financial freedom. Let's get started on the path to financial freedom, beginning with the mistakes you need to avoid. Common financial mistakes to avoid. The first mistake many people make is lifestyle inflation. As people earn more, they often end up spending more, thinking they deserve to treat themselves. While treating yourself is important, constant lifestyle inflation makes it almost impossible to build savings or wealth. Another common mistake is not tracking your expenses. It might seem simple, but small, unnoticed expenses add up over time, silently draining your finances. Lastly, high-interest debt, especially from credit cards, can derail even the best savings plan. Avoid falling into the trap of minimum payments, which can prolong debt and increase interest costs. Now that we understand what holds many people back, let's focus on actionable strategies for saving. Foundational saving strategies? When it comes to saving, the May 30, 2020 budgeting rule can be a game changer. It's simple: allocate 50% of your income to essentials, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings. This structure ensures you're prioritizing savings without completely restricting yourself. Next, automate your savings. By setting up automatic transfers into a savings account each payday, you're less likely to spend that money on impulse purchases. Remember, saving doesn't have to mean giving up things you love. It's about being intentional with your money. The importance of building an emergency fund? An emergency fund is like a financial safety net that gives you peace of mind in case of unexpected events like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. A good rule of thumb is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Start by setting a smaller, achievable goal of $1,000, then build up from there. Having this fund in place can prevent you from falling back on credit cards or loans, which could lead to more debt. Remember, even small contributions add up over time. Prioritize consistency over speed. Strategies for managing and paying down debt. Debt management is essential to achieving financial freedom. The avalanche and snowball methods are two popular approaches to paying off debt. With the avalanche method, you tackle high-interest debts first, which saves you money on interest over time. On the other hand, the snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, which can give you a psychological boost as you clear each one. Choose the approach that best fits your personality and goals. The power of investing for wealth building? Saving money alone won't make you wealthy over time due to inflation. To build wealth, it's essential to put your money to work through investing. Start by educating yourself on basic concepts like stocks, bonds, and index funds. Investing might feel intimidating at first, but remember, you don't have to start with a lot of money. Consistency is key. By investing a small amount regularly, you'll benefit from compounding returns over time. This means your earnings start generating their own earnings, leading to exponential growth. The benefits of diversification in your portfolio? When you start investing, diversification is crucial. Simply put, diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. If one investment performs poorly, the others can help cushion the impact. A simple diversified portfolio might include a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate. Even if your budget is tight, platforms like index funds and ETFs offer a low-cost way to start investing in a diversified portfolio. This strategy minimizes risk and maximizes potential returns over the long term. Generating additional income with digital products. Another great way to boost your financial freedom journey is by creating additional income streams, like digital products. With minimal startup costs and the ability to work from anywhere, digital products can generate passive income that adds up over time. My digital product marketing tutorial ebook is an excellent resource if you're interested in learning more. It covers everything from finding your niche to creating and marketing products. Starting small with digital products can give you more financial flexibility and a pathway to greater financial independence. Conclusion: achieving financial freedom might feel overwhelming at first, but remember that every step counts. Start small by building good financial habits like tracking your spending and saving consistently. Create an emergency fund as your financial safety net, and then tackle any debt strategically. Once you're comfortable with those basics, move on to investing and diversifying your portfolio. And if you're ready to take things a step further, consider creating a new income stream with digital products, which can help accelerate your journey. Thank you for watching, and I hope these steps help you build a future of financial security and freedom. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more tips and guides like this. And if you're interested in learning how to create and sell digital products, check out my digital product marketing tutorial ebook link below. See you in the next video, and here's to a financially free future.